For 40 years, one question has defined the American concealed carry conversation. What do you carry? For 40 years, the answer has come from the same short list. A Glock, a SIG, a Smith Wesson, maybe a Springfield. The names have rotated, the order has shifted. The fundamental list has not, until now. In 2026, something happened that nobody in the gun industry predicted, nobody in the carry community expected, and nobody at the top of the market was prepared for. A single 9mm pistol entered production that did not just compete with the existing leaders. It rendered the conversation about them obsolete entirely. This is not marketing. This is documented sales data, professional carry adoption, and law enforcement procurement trends pointing toward one specific pistol that is quietly replacing every carry gun in America right now. The 9mm carry market in 2026 looks completely different from how it looked in 2020. The dominant names from 5 years ago are losing ground faster than at any point in modern firearms history. This video walks through the 7 specific pistols leading that shift, in order from number 7 to the one pistol replacing every carry gun in America in 2026. If brutally honest carry content is what you have been looking for, subscribe right now. New rankings drop every single week. Number 7. STOEGER STR-9F. STOEGER is a brand most American carriers have never seriously considered. The STR-9F is the pistol that is changing that conversation in 2026 faster than any budget platform in recent memory. The STR-9F delivers 20+1 capacity in a full-size frame with optics-ready slide cuts, ambidextrous controls, and a flat-face trigger that genuine side-by-side testing is placed above the standard Glock 17 trigger out of the box. At $349 to $399 street price, the STR-9F is undercutting comparable full-size optics-ready pistols by hundreds of dollars, while matching most of them on documented reliability. STOEGER sales have grown significantly across 2025 as budget-conscious carriers have discovered the platform and competition shooters have adopted it for entry-level division pistols. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 20+1, barrel 4.68 inches, weight 27.5 ounces, optics direct mount. Price $349 to $399. The verdict: 20 rounds, optics ready, ambidextrous controls, and a trigger that beats Glock stock at under $400. The STR-9F is the budget full-size answer the American carry market did not realize it needed. Number 6. Ruger RXM. Ruger partnered with Magpul to produce the RXM, a Glock 19 size optics-ready pistol that launched in late 2024 and has been quietly building market share across 2025 and 2026. The RXM uses a modular fire control insert architecture similar to the SIGP 320 platform, allowing the serialized component to be transferred between different Magpul grip modules without paperwork. The slide is optics-ready with direct mount cuts for the most common red dot footprints. 15+1 capacity matches the standard Glock 19. Street price sits between $499 and $549. The Magpul grip module produces a hand fill that experienced shooters consistently identify as more comfortable than the stock G19 grip across a broader range of hand sizes. Ruger's documented manufacturing reliability combined with Magpul's ergonomic refinement has produced a platform that is converting Glock 19 owners at rates that have caught the carry market by surprise. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 15+1, barrel 4.0 inches, weight 24 ounces, optics direct mount. Price $499 to $549. The verdict: modular Ruger reliability with Magpul ergonomics at a price point that undercuts the G19 by $50 to $100. The RXM is the Glock 19 alternative. Most carriers did not know existed and the one quietly winning converts in 2026. Number 5. IWI Masada Slim. Israel Weapon Industries built the original Masada as a duty-sized striker-fired pistol. The Masada Slim launched in 2024 as the carry-optimized variant and has been gaining ground in the American market across 2025 and into 2026. The Masada Slim delivers 13+1 capacity in a single-stack inspired profile, measuring just over 1 inch wide. The factory flat trigger has been refined to a break and reset that competition shooters have validated through documented testing. An optics-ready slide accepts compact red dots through a modular adapter plate system. 3 interchangeable back straps ship in the box for grip customization. IWI brings the same institutional manufacturing standards behind the Taver and Galil platforms to the Masada Slim. That quality control, combined with a $499 to $549 price point, has made the platform one of the fastest-growing carry pistols among shooters who value engineering pedigree over brand familiarity. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 13+1, barrel 3.4 inches, width 1.02 inches, weight 21.6 ounces, price $499 to $549. The verdict: Israeli manufacturing precision in a 13-round slim carry package at $549. The Masada Slim is the carry pistol the American market has not given the credit it deserves, and the carriers who recognize it are getting ahead of the curve. Number 4. Smith Wesson M&P 2.0 Carry Comp. The M&P platform has the broadest American law enforcement adoption record of any striker-fired pistol in history. The 2.0 Carry Comp, launched in 2024, added a feature that no comparable M&P configuration had ever delivered. The Performance Center compensator system reduces muzzle flip in a 4-inch carry package to a degree that previously required custom gunsmith work. The compensator is integrated into the barrel and slide assembly directly rather than threaded on as an accessory. 15+1 capacity, optics-ready slide, Ameriglo Pro I.Dot Night Sight standard. Smith & Wesson reported the M&P 2.0 Carry Comp as one of its strongest-selling new configurations across 2025, and the platform has become a frequent recommendation among professional carry instructors who carry M&P internally and have adopted the Carry Comp as their personal upgrade option. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 15+1, barrel 4.0 inches compensated, weight 24.7 ounces, price $599 to $649. The verdict: factory compensation in an M&P 2.0 carry package at under $650. The Performance Center Carry Comp is what M&P owners have wanted for a decade, and what is finally shipping in 2026 in a configuration worth the wait. Number 3. Beretta 92 XI SAO Tactical. Beretta has been quietly building the most refined modern version of the 92 platform that has ever shipped from the factory, and the 92 XI-SAO Tactical is the configuration earning serious attention in 2026. The 92 XI ditches the decocker and double action mechanism of the standard 92 series in favor of a single action only platform with a flat-faced trigger that competitive shooters have validated as match grade. The Vertex-style grip frame eliminates the curved grip profile that previous 92 generations carried over from the 1980s. Optics-ready slide with direct mount red dot cut. 18+1 capacity from the factory magazine. Threaded barrel option available on the tactical configuration. For the first time in the platform's modern history, Beretta has built a 92 variant that competes directly with the finest striker-fired carry pistols on trigger quality while retaining the all-steel construction and documented reliability record that the 92 family has carried since the platform replaced the 1911 as the U.S. military service pistol in 1985. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 18+1, barrel 4.7 inches, weight 33.5 ounces, price $999 to $1,099. The verdict: all steel construction, 18 rounds, match grade single action trigger, optics ready. The 92 XI-SAO Tactical is the modern 92 platform Beretta has been working toward for 40 years, and the carry market is finally catching on. Number 2. CZ P10F Optics Ready. CZ has been quietly building one of the most under-recognized carry pistol lineups in the industry, and the P10F Optics Ready is the full-size duty carry platform earning genuine traction in 2026. The P10F delivers 19+1 capacity from the flush magazine with optics-ready slide cuts, factory tritium night sights, and a flat-face trigger that experienced shooters consistently place above the standard Glock 17 trigger out of the box. The cold hammer-forged barrel produces tighter tolerances and longer service life than button-rifled alternatives in this price range. The fiber-reinforced polymer frame combined with a steel chassis insert produces structural consistency that contributes directly to long-term accuracy retention. Czech military adoption combined with documented independent testing, past 25,000 rounds without parts failure, has placed the P10 platform among the most reliability-verified striker-fired pistols in the mid-range price segment. At $549 to $599 street price, the P10F Optics Ready is competing directly with pistols costing $200 more on features and beating most of them on trigger quality. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 19+1, barrel 4.5 inches cold, hammer forged, weight 28 ounces, price $549 to $599. The verdict: 19 rounds, cold hammer forged barrel, tritium sights, optics ready, and a trigger that beats Glock stock at $599. The CZ P10F Optics Ready is the carry pistol experienced shooters arrive at after the marketing wears off. Number 1. SIG SAUER P365 Fuse. The number 1 9mm pistol replacing every carry gun in America in 2026 is not the platform anyone saw coming. The P365 Fuse launched in early 2025 as the configuration SIG built by combining every lesson from the original P365, the XL, and the X Macro into a single platform without compromise. 21+1 capacity from a 4.3-inch barrel and full-size grip that eliminates the pinky overhang, smaller P365 variants always carried. Shield Acer MSC optic cut without adapter plates. X-ray 3-day and night sight standard. The X-Series flat trigger is the finest factory striker-fired trigger SIG currently produces. 3 reasons the Fuse is winning in 2026. Capacity: 21+1 and a profile no other slimline carry pistol approaches. Width: just over 1 inch, allowing concealment thicker compacts cannot match. Data: SIG has reported Fuse sales outpacing every other P365 variant across late 2025 and into 2026. Federal procurement contracts at multiple agencies and trainer adoption rates no other modern carry pistol has matched. The Fuse solved the problem the carry market has had since concealed carry became mainstream. Duty pistol capacity and a deep concealment profile without compromise. The trade-off is gone. Specs: caliber 9mm, capacity 21+1, barrel 4.3 inches, width just over 1 inch, sights X-ray 3-day and night, price $750 to $799. The verdict: 21 rounds, just over 1 inch wide, X-Series trigger, X-ray 3 night sights, the SIG P365. Fuse solved what the carry market has been working on for 40 years and the data confirms it daily. This is what replacing every carry gun in 2026 actually looks like. The P365 Fuse is the answer. At number 1, not because it's the most exciting pistol on this list, but because the documented data across sales figures, professional adoption, and law enforcement procurement points to one specific platform leading the most significant shift in the American carry market since the original P365 launched in 2018. Nobody saw this coming. The carriers who recognize what is happening early are the ones positioned correctly when the rest of the market catches up. Drop your current carry in the comments and tell us whether you have handled the P365 Fuse personally. And if honest, data-driven carry content is what you have been looking for, subscribe. New rankings drop every single week.